woke up, I knew that I'm motherfucking rich. Diamonds, they dance, just look at my face. Yeah, woke up this morning, I know that I'm rich. Spaghettis, they dance, it's all on my face. Hold up. Pink diamonds on my motherfucking wrist. Goddamn, got more than your bitch.
What's up, people? Y'all in here? What we doing? What's up? What's up? I can't see the comments.
I'm right to my goals, even if a nigga got a limp. If my girl wanna bake, can't buy her shit. Used to be too broke to take a
yes, sir.
Now I'm getting salsa and all of the dips. Just cause a young nigga rich and got chips. When I'm feeling down, I just look at my fist. Feel like a king, but peasants exist. Played on my cars, I said go fish. Niggas just talk, they just reminisce. Walk around the town, they don't be like shit. More than your life than Uber and Lyft. Nigga boss up, go own that.
What's up, people? What's up? What's up? The market is up.
Look at my bros, they got own this shit. White man, you cannot own this shit. They just free Django in this bitch. I got the whip.
The market is fixed. Let's go! Let's go! The stock market is correcting itself. Let's go! Good morning, motherfuckers. Good morning. Welcome in, beautiful people. So, if you're watching this live, if you watch this on playback, just know the market switched itself around. You see that? Green, 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 green. Spring green. You hear what I'm saying? So, when I woke up this morning, the market was down. I'm talking about red as a shed, my boy. I'm talking about. Look, you see this? This morning, the market looked like this. It looked like this morning, but now we chilling. You hear me? We are up to, right now, we're up $37. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm grateful to see all your beautiful faces. I love each and every one of you. And with some manifestation, it wasn't nothing but a little bit of straightening. We had a little bit of straightening, and now look. So, let's see what stocks are booming. I'm going to show you my portfolio. Much shorter this time. I'm so excited to show you my portfolio. I'm talking about, I'm hyped as hell, to be honest. I need everybody in here, one, come in here with some good energy. Come in here with some amazing energy. Two, I'm going to need you to drop a like on the video. We have 60 people in here. I need, walk to the light for the blunt. That's lit. That's up, everybody. What's up, everybody? Many blessings. So as all of you were getting in here, I'm sure many of you are going to be in here today. Drop a like on the video for me. I gave away 7 Discord links the other day on Friday. We got some more in store. I got to blow my damn nose. You know how them dabby dabs do. But I'm excited about this morning. How y'all feeling about this morning? Drop an emoji if you're happy to be here. Drop an emoji if your portfolio is green. You know what I mean? Hey, I'm going to finish this song up, man. For those of you who are new, when you come to this channel, we always enjoy vegetables. You know what kind I'm talking about. We enjoy good music. We get the vibration right. We control the narrative of our morning, regardless of what it looks like in the stock market, at home, at work. You hear what I'm saying? So let's finish this track out. Make sure you go follow me on Spotify. The session. Wait. Oops, pardon me, people. Let's see which one we can play. Here goes one y'all never heard. This one never came out. Let's just vibe to it. And I want y'all to type down the emojis if you're happy to be here today. What percent are you up today in your portfolio? Who's green today? Who's green? Blew up and I made myself a boss. I bet it on myself. I be gambling. Niggas just talking, they be. Who made some money today? Up 37%? Okay. 92% spring green, Irish spring green. Follow me on Spotify. I love all of you. XO James, we're going to change that. What are your stocks you're in? Okay, young queen. Detox tea from I Am Lifewave. Starting the morning pure, great, feeling good. Make sure you keep your chlorophyll water. I'm red because of Ethereum. That's why we don't keep our crypto. Options going brazy. Stocks going brazy too. 14%. 1400%. We up. On God. So, I'm going to show y'all my new improved portfolios. Y'all going to love it. No, she was a smoothie. Love the way she fucked me. You think she was a Much love from Miami, King. That's for the gyms. Yes, sir. Much love. Many blessings to you. Started with 2,000. I'm at 300. Damn. We gonna get you right there. All right, all right, all right. Feeling Jackie Robinson. I'm in my own league. Pause it. Okay. So, all right. Love, love, love. What's up, Jason? Down a little bit on Ethereum. Okay, cool. That's perfect. I'm so happy y'all shared that with me. So before we even dive in, and before I even say my intro, I want to talk to the people who got Ethereum in their Robinhood. There is a reason. There is a reason we keep our crypto separate from our actual investments in the stock market. Two totally different things. Crypto doesn't even deal with real money, in the sense of it's a decentralized currency. We have that in a totally different bracket because we don't want that to control the percentage our portfolio has went up or not. Crypto separate from actual stocks. For the stocks, y'all know how I'm coming. For the stocks, I use simple. You can see all the apps here, public, and I use Robinhood. Those are my stock applications. I have some personal accounts over on Stash and Webull as well. Webull is good if you're used to using traditional charts. You know how to read all of these things and the candlesticks and the you want to make your own charts. Webull is good for that. Rob, still see me? My alarm came up. But Robinhood is just a more part of me for slipping. I done had some dabs this morning. You know how that goes. Makes your nose run. But let me know in the comment. Can y'all still see me? Let me know in the chat. Y'all can still see me. Mark Hale. Yeah. Thank you, Jason. Hold on. Let me favorite that. Thank you, Jason. That's lit. Y'all good? Okay. So look. Public and Robinhood. Public is the sexiest app you're gonna see for the stocks. You tell me different if you think otherwise. There's no app that looks better than Public. Period. And it's not even just about aesthetics. It's about the fact that what it lets you do. So before I get off tangent, I want to talk about the Ethereum people. Those of y'all who got your crypto in your Robinhood, I suggest you take that shit out. I use Uphold for my crypto, and I'm thinking about switching to BlockFi. We've been talking, and the company seems pretty dope. A lot of people use it. They on the phone they explain the benefits of it to me. So if I were you, I would go ahead and look into Uphold. It's already in the description below. I'm actually going to be having a meeting with BlockFi as well, so you can go ahead and talk to them and see if I'm going to talk to them. And I'll let you know if the app is cool over there. But if you want to decide on your own, go ahead over there. You get what I'm saying? Public is on its way to have options. We got to remember, too, these companies, like I had to understand, too. When I get into these meetings with Public and shit like that, they're actually just a group of people who are just putting shit together. So it takes time to pass these regulations because if they want to have options, they have to pass a lot of regulations and rules and stuff because they can't have any slip ups with y'all money. We can't have another what some of the hoods did. You get what I'm saying? We can't have that again. So that's that. I just wanted to explain that shit to y'all. Public is my favorite interface, most user friendly. My mom uses it. My girl, anybody can use it. It's simple as shit. And the best thing about it is that when you go to the app, you go to Public, you'll see my profile pop up. Now when you come to my profile, you can see what I've posted and what stocks I have. You can see exactly what stocks I have. So this is very useful. If there's a famous person you like, a person in the sector, if Kathy Wood was on here, everyone would follow her. You can see exactly what stocks they have. You feel me? It's all roses though. Really appreciate these updates. Y'all talking heavy today. This is lit. Yeah, after I show you my portfolios, for those of y'all who are new, if you're new in the chat, I need you to do me a favor. Type down new. If you're a day one and you've been here longer than 60 days, type that one. I want to see who I'm talking to. If you're new, you got what we do here is I show you both my portfolios, my Robinhood and then my Public. We vibe, and then I take recommendations from you all, and I will look up stocks live here on the spot. I will see what TipRank says about it. I will give my own basic analysis off of it without reading any articles or going too into depth, just looking at numbers and possible entry points. And that's how we rock out over here. So there's a lot of ones. Most people have been here. Some new. Welcome, my new people. Welcome. Very blessed, and thank you to everybody who's been rocking out with the Discord. Tons of new members in there. Much more engagement. And I'm talking about much more engagement despite if the market is up or down. You get what I'm talking about? Up or down, people still engaging, people still happy. Shout out to Josiah and a couple other of you who just started following me on public. So, which portfolio do y'all want to see first? Do y'all want to see the public portfolio or do y'all want to see the Robinhood portfolio? Type public or type in Hood. Hood is about to IPO too. That's going to be wild. That's going to be absolutely wild. What y'all want first? Let me see. Y'all want public or y'all want the Hood? Let me see. And I have my computer up over here. So if you're new, I always have my computer up here so I can look up my resources. I got some Twitter channels open. I got some articles open. I got my resources open so we can all get to these plays, get to these bags. You hear what I'm saying? Fuck that 9 to 5. We're not going to be doing that much longer. Y'all not going to be doing that much longer. If you want to check out the Discord, that is in the description. So y'all said, wait, let me pull it up here. Y'all said y'all would rather see Robinhood. That's what it seems to be here. Hood. Say no more. All right. Robinhood it is. What we doing over here in the Hood? Okay, so on the day we were up $12. And some of you may not understand the importance of this just this small $12. This $12 right now is amazing because one, it's going to go up. We're going to be up more. But when I started this day, I was down literally $350 just on some pre-market shit. So if your mind isn't right, that's why Think and Grow Rich and all these other finance books do not speak about finance. They speak about mindset. So remember, keep your mind pure. You don't want to go into this shit, emotional, and you're thinking, because when you do anything emotional, you're not going to think with your best foot forward. I teach all my clients, even people I talk to that just want help with their business or getting right, you got to go into things without emotion. How many things in your life would you do if there was no emotion, if there was no fear, if there was no judgment, no confusion, none of this other feelings that you decide the comparison with? You would do a lot more things if there was no fear attached to it, no judgment. Oh, people are going to look at me weird. You would do a lot more shit. A lot of you hinder yourselves just because of your mindset. So keep your mind pure so you can go into the market. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down the list. I'm going to show you every stock, but y'all going to be surprised. It's not many. And I sold some of my Dogecoin. It's a joke. We don't really want to invest tons of our money into things we don't even understand when the people who made it as a joke. Okay? So I'm going to show you my stocks. I want y'all to see how few we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 stocks, but I will be decreasing even more. I'm going to be selling out ChargePoint. Okay, so I'm going to show you Galt. Galt recovered a lot from the day. It was at 250 to be honest with you, and this is at the pre-market 640, and there's no cap in my rap. What price that say? It was at 250. Now we chill at 270. So right there on the day I'm up $11. Next, Prospect Capital, PSEC. How many of my family members are out there in PSEC? Yeah, you can, brother. Also, all of my people out there, I notice. Even the Earn Your Leisure people, Stock Mo's, all these people who have hundreds and thousands, 500,000 followers, they also get people that come in there. You don't know what you're talking about, or it's okay. I just want you to understand that if you think that Dogecoin or any of these other things, if you don't agree with what I say, I'm not your motherfucking financial advisor. I'm just a young nigga giving you leading you to the lake. Okay? So, you can do what you like. I pray that you actually do what you like. If you want to keep your Doge when the actual makers of it created it as a joke, if you think that, no, I know better than the miners and the people who made it and you know better than the world, keep it. I don't give a fuck what you do. I hope you sincerely understand that. If I had glasses, I'd take them off. I want you to understand if that's what you want to do and continue to watch it plummet or whatever, you enjoy yourself. I love you. But back to PSEC. If you have PSEC, drop an emoji below. If you were a part of the PSEC gang, drop an emoji below. Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Yeah, I'm going to take recommendations in a little bit. I want to know who's in PSEC. Okay, Code Red is in PSEC. I know it's more of y'all that got it. I know it's more family members that got it. Okay, the comments are just a bit delayed. Okay, so PSEC on the day, down a bit, but you'll see we have a 36% return. Can y'all see that? And we also have a dividend payment coming. So this is the key. Oh shit, I unlocked the phone. I want to show y'all. This is the key. The purpose of these dividend stocks, they're geniuses. If the company itself performs well, you get a dividend payout just for being a shareholder. That's an incentive to invest in this company. They break down a percentage of the profits they've had from sales or revenue. And then you also get money for shares. If the stock performs well, who cares if you get a dividend payout if the stock doesn't perform well? Because then there's a high chance they're going to cancel the dividend payout. Okay? So it's a double play. PSEC, I love it. We are up 35.45%. Okay? Next. NEO. NEO has been, this week is iffy. I'm going to look to see why the week is like this. Do y'all have any idea? Does anybody out there have any idea as to why the overall market is performing like this? The S&Ps, the NASDAQs. We've seen the Russell 2000. For those of you who were in the Discord, we've seen that yesterday. The Russell 2000. Let's see what else we got. When we scroll down here for NEO, you'll see that we are still up 10%. And I want everybody to know, we do have the ability to have our portfolio. I literally plan to have my portfolio up 35+% by time the new year comes around. By the time January comes, I want to have my portfolio up 35%. Now, with that being said, you have to understand that the market average is 10 to 12% increase. I want y'all to keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. We're just going through a correction. I know the market will correct itself. So that's how I look at it. We keep putting bread in, investing smart, dollar cost averaging, investing, consolidating the portfolio. When the market gets to going in our favor, we are going to eat. I'm talking about I promise you, I'm not a financial advisor. You do whatever the hell you want. This is just entertainment. I promise you, we're going to eat. How many of y'all think that within the next 90 days, we're going to eat? If you think we're going to eat, type them butterfly emojis. I'm telling you. We don't use no savings account. When inflation goes up, you actually lose money. And those people that have the banks, Wells Fargo, the crooked ass Citadels, all these people, all these banks are corrupt. And they invest in your bread while your bread is in there. If all of us went to go take out $100 around the world at the same time, they wouldn't have it. They wouldn't have the money. They're investing your bread while you don't invest it. They're using it as leverage. They're using it as capital. They're controlling the lines of credit. They're controlling who they give the loans to. So understand that this whole market, the government, all this shit is a system designed. All right. So make sure you keep some free capital. Whatever you do, I don't give a damn if you buy it. If you flip cars, if you buy stocks, keep some free capital. So when someone passes an opportunity to you, you can always take advantage. If you broke and you don't got no money because you spent it all on goofy shit, you'll learn quickly. It's not over for you, but you won't have to make the money back. Always keep some free money, please. All right. So thank y'all for rocking. Yeah, I see the butterflies. Okay. Let's see. Jason C said, "There's 87 of us in here. Can we please stop stealing this man's time and help him as he is helping us kill the market? Thumbs up for the session." Hey, that's lit. Shout out to you, Jason. Make sure y'all go ahead and throw a like on the video for me, man. I appreciate each and every one of you. So NEO, we're up 10%. Hey, VTNR came up today as well. We're up today. See some of y'all again. You may not notice. This may not seem like a big deal to you, but if you saw the pre-market, just as we saw the pre-market, this was at $7.99. So for a stock whose overall value is $8, under $10, it's significant when it goes up 40 cents in just a matter of time. It went from 7.99 to 8.32. So VTNR, I love to play. I'm up. What does this say? I'm up 21%. 21%. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for the likes. Drop a comment on the video. Make sure you share this shit with somebody who needs to have a better mindset. Okay? So next we have Arrowhead, my favorite. It's up 1.33% on the day. Please, y'all, remember, all of the new beginners, even if you are a mid-level investor or an expert, remember the trailing stop loss. That's going to help you mitigate loss, and it's going to help you those times maybe your power goes out. Maybe you on a business trip, you forgot to check something. Maybe something goes down you didn't know. You can sell off some of your profits and then keep your position in the stock while it's down, and then you could dollar cost average down. I'm just giving you game. Okay, we have Arrowhead. This one's recovering. We have 24 shares. I've increased my position significantly, so I'm excited as hell about that. You feel me? This one is up 1.67% of the day. Those of y'all not familiar with Arrowhead, we've been in that almost 8 months. It went from $90. They had to pause one of their clinical trials. I didn't have my trailing stop loss on. So in one day, it went from $90 to $65. From 90 to 60, it was been booming for months. So, it just goes to show you, at some point throughout the whole year, your stock will face some volatility. It took a whole year, literally. It took a whole year, but then that one thing, okay, boom. Once it hit, first thing I did was all I could take was a little bit of profit, took a little bit of profit, left everything in there. And then now I've been building the shares. So I want y'all to just understand my methodology and the way I'm going about this shit. You feel me? Thank you, Sadia. Follow him on Instagram. My Patreon is there. Yes. Thank you so much. Anybody who want to join the Discord, I suggest you check it out. The $5 are sold out. We got the $10, and I believe the 20s are going now. But back to this, CSWC. And again, that Discord is only for a mindset, because on this channel, we do not talk about money. We talk about mindset. We talk about what money can do for us. But if you have a poor mind, you're going to be poor. 60% plus of people who win the lottery become poor. If you're poor mentally, you will be poor financially. You will be poor spiritually. You will be poor physically. Okay? How you do one thing is how you do everything. You feel me? Next, Capital Southwest. Simple, we up 20%. And we get dividend payouts from this. This is another amazing dividend stock. CSWC. You do what you want. I suggest you check it out. AMC, we still have positioning here. 18 shares. It's at $33. So what I'm going to do, I want to keep having some position in this. I'm going to grab me a share too. And keep dollar cost averaging, because this meme stock, I'll keep some position in, because at some point throughout the whole year, it will go up. It's really a $5 stock, which is surging right now uncontrollably. So I'm always keep my position, and I will be averaging down. Next, Mara. We believe in this stock, and I'm telling you it will go up, but right now it's doo-doo cheese. Okay? It's just like doo-doo cheese. So right now it's cheap. You feel me? You can go ahead and get you a share for $23.15. This is amazing stock to me. The market cap on it is $2.3 billion. So we're doing all right there. You'll see the average volume is about 5.47 million. So the stock does do some moving. Let's see here. I'm going to show you it on Tip Ranks too if y'all need me to. But Tip Ranks has this stock ranked as high as well. Let me show you. Here on the rankings. So we open up Tip Ranks. And you can see we're down. The overall portfolio is under 17,000. So we have 16,000 and change. But I want to show you Mara. You all have the ability to do this on your Tip Ranks too. You can import your actual portfolio right here into the app. So everything is live. It has your real average cost. It has your real share amounts. It's fire. Mara. For those of you who are interested in a stock, a growth stock, you don't have position in. If you don't want one of the blue collar stocks, Apple, Tesla, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Tip Ranks has this going to. Pardon me, let me break it down by best performing analyst. $48. It's 23.16. They have it going to a projected $48, which is 107%. 107% upside. You hear what I'm saying? Then we got analyst consensus of three of the analysts believe that this is a strong buy. The smart score is a 9. Fundamentals have increased. The technicals are positive. I like what I see with it. This is something I'm interested in. You can do what you like. Let me know if y'all think this is a fire stock or if it's poop. What y'all think? And the last stock, simply, we only have 8 stocks. So ChargePoint. ChargePoint's actually up for a change, up almost 3%. We made $5 today so far. So that is ChargePoint, and that is the Robinhood portfolio. We are up 46. We went down quite a bit. I know y'all have been seeing the videos of people who were saying, hey, here's how I lost 100,000. Here's how I lost this. And you've been seeing some red, or sometimes, I've seen some YouTubers, I ain't gonna put nobody business out there. I've seen some people, because this is right. I am the pinnacle of it. There will be no one for you all to type or message anger to if the plays or the stocks didn't go in your favor, right? So when that's the case, it's hard. If the stock market is trash, it's hard for the YouTubers because all the blame is gonna come to us. So I've seen some YouTubers not even make videos when it's red. I've literally even heard them admit it. So it can be some pressure, but just understand that it's always going to be some volatility every year. Okay. I'm gonna run through this public portfolio. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Then I'm gonna take your recommendations, and then I'm gonna give out one free Discord link. How that sound? That sound good to y'all? Let me know. Let me know how that sound to y'all. Drop an emoji if you're down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, bet. So let's go to public. And if you want to follow me on public, it is at the session. I follow every time they add a new person of substance that's a CEO, a director, an important person. I look to follow them. I've been engaging more on public. So public is definitely my favorite app. Robinhood would be second. We still rock out Robinhood because Robinhood is where we do our individual investments. You feel what I'm saying? My individual investments. And then public is where we do the more safe portfolio. Okay. So here we go. Let's scroll. All right. So here's the portfolio. Amazon, Tesla, Disney, Apple, Teladoc, Costco. That's it. This is it. These are my stocks. Simple. Okay. So far today, we're down $64 on this one. I'm gonna show you something I'm proud of. This is so wild to me. When I first started investing, I dreamed of having a share of Amazon. My screen looked fucking fingerprinted. Pardon me. But can y'all see that? I dreamed of having a share of Amazon. As you see, we're almost there. Almost there. We almost there to having a whole share of Amazon. I don't have to put Amazon on tip ranks. I'm not going to pull it up on tip ranks. You know what Amazon is. I don't care what country you live in. You know what Amazon is. We don't have to explain anything. Amazon. Jeffrey Bezos. Okay. He's no longer the CEO, but look what they've done. It's Amazon. Okay. So I want to show you 2 other stocks that I think are up. Okay, 2 other stocks that are up on the day, and I'm gonna show you my position in them. So here we have Teladoc, TDOC, which is Teladoc. You see, I have 2.5 shares. Shout out to Walter Smith. Shout out to Walter Smith for just joining the Discord. Definitely appreciate you. You a big stepper now, Brody. Teladoc. I want to show y'all. If y'all didn't see the video we made a week or 2 ago talking about how I showed you how to find ARK Invest's actual portfolio. You can see the actual portfolio they have and the shares they have. Live update. I showed you on the video. I'll make another one, but go check out last week's video when I showed the growth stocks. You're going to want to check that out. Okay, so Teladoc, ARK Invest has fourth, figgity fourth. That is their fourth most position. And I'm talking about they have like 2 million shares or something. Let me see. I'll pull it up for y'all right here. Let's pull up investing. Watch this. Can I show it to y'all here live? Okay, so Teladoc, they have 1.6 million shares of Teladoc. ARK Invest has 1.6 million shares, and that is $241 million. I don't know what else I need to say. That's 5% of their portfolio. And then we'll move on to the last one everybody knows about. This is Costco. Costco. I don't need to. Oh, I'm from the East Coast, so we don't really have Costco like that. We got something called BJ's, Sam's Club. They're all like the same affiliation. It's the same thing. So Costco, I think, might even own BJ's. So it's all the same. And these are the places when we have these, when they try to put Rona out, when they create these sicknesses, when they make these mandates, when we have to get poisoned. When people got weird about the corona, where did everybody go? Walmart, Costco, and the big food hubs to buy all the toilet paper so no one else can get any, to buy all the food, to panic buy. That's what people do. That's what idiots do. These sheep do. So Costco is where a lot of sheep go. I want to be getting some money from the sheep. So that's what we do. I want you also to remember, keep your head on straight. If you can grow some vegetables at your own house, I would do that. Okay? I would grow my own vegetables. I don't eat meat, so I don't need to eat. You know what I mean? If you eat meat, I don't know, get some cows, get some chickens at the crib, raise them yourself. Okay? I'm not gonna, you do what you want to do with the meat, but at least grow your own vegetable, because if they say, hey, you gotta get poison in your arm to go to the grocery store, what are you gonna do? If your job say, hey, you gotta get poison to come to work, what you gonna do? They have you by the balls. So what you have to do is become self-sufficient. Do everything on your own. We can't trust these folks. I've never seen in the history of life one time they've given someone $1 million, cheeseburgers, food to get poison stabbed into them. Just showed you yesterday on my Instagram. They gave polio shots out in the early 1900s. Didn't tell anybody. Years later, they gave 98 million people increased cancer. 98 million polio shots. Look up SV40. We're not going to get into that. But with that being said, Teladoc is something you're going to want to look into. Costco, something you may want to look into. Okay? I showed you my portfolios. Now it is time to take some recommendations from you. I'm happy 120 of you are here to listen to this, and we all stand woke and hip together. Okay? Do me a favor. Drop your favorites. What are your favorite stocks? I'm gonna spice it up and give a Discord link out too to just break it up a little bit. You see what they did over there in Haiti, correct? Haiti, poorest country in the Western Hemisphere. They declined the poison, and they never had what you call that? They never had quarantine, and they had the lowest amount of Rona cases reported. The president said he's not going to do that. Off them. Other presidents say he's not going to do that. Off them. And then the American government gave the police $5 million. To the country that's the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, $5 million is a lot. People would do a lot for $5 million when they can't get clean water. So just give you some food for thought. Know who you're dealing with. All right. So I'm going to give some Discord links out. And give a nice one out because y'all been rocking out, giving good energy this morning. So what we're going to do is, what would y'all prefer? Would you prefer a sports trivia question, a basketball trivia question, or would you prefer me to do a random number picker? I'll let y'all choose it. We're giving a free Discord link out. I want one of y'all to come into the Discord for free. You tell me, what would you prefer, a random trivia question, or would you prefer me just to select randomly? If you want sports, type sports. If you're already in the Discord and you win, you can give the Discord link to somebody you know. If you're in the Discord, if you think it's fire, drop a fire emoji. I'm going to give y'all 15 seconds to pick. I see y'all like the sports. My ladies be knowing the sports shit too. I be having a lot of female winners in here. My female viewers have went up almost 22%. So this is lit. I'm getting both parties watching me. I need a link, but I'm broke. That mindset's terrible, brother. Telling yourself constantly you can't afford things that cost $10 is going to destroy your mental. It's going to destroy your psyche. You got to switch that up. Come on now, Show Cash. You got this, my nigga. You got it. All right, so we're going to do... I've seen a lot of people. What do I get here? I got a lot of fires and sports. Okay, we're going to do sports. We're going to do sports. But the good news is you have a smartphone in your hand. So, let's check out some sports. Let's do... Okay, we got some new drops coming in. I'll be doing also a weekly video where I just show you the new cards that I got. We have a new channel in the Discord showing you exactly what cards you got. If you got any Pokemon cards, baseball cards, collectibles, you can show it in there, and you can actually buy or trade in there, right there in the Discord. It's dope as fuck. So y'all want to check that out. All right, so I got something for y'all. Here we go. Here we go. I want to make sure the information is correct. Y'all better have y'all phones ready. Okay, here we go. What year did Michael Jordan play baseball? First person to comment it gets a link into the Discord. Make sure I covered it up. What year did Michael Jordan play baseball? What year did Michael Jordan play baseball? He played for the Scottsdale Scorpions, Birmingham Barons, the Birmingham Barons. There it is. There it is. I seen it. Hold up. I'm going to tell you exactly who did it. I'm going to show you. I'm going to look. The person who said it first, Mark Hale. Damn, I didn't see Mark said it. Mark, you said it first. Mark, aren't you already in the Discord though, bro? 1984 was the year. Mark got it. Mark got it, 1984. Mark was the first person to get it. So, Mark, if you already in the Discord, you can give this link away to somebody. Mark Hale was the winner. Mark Hale. She said installation. Winner, type in your Instagram. And on this channel here, you get 60 seconds to claim your prize. After 60 seconds, we will give your reward to someone else who will be honored to have it. I got this SP Upper Deck. Frankie Paperhands, come on over to the court, bro, so we can talk about these cards. Anybody, are there any people in here who trade cards or have collectibles? Male Fit. Is that your Instagram? Is that your Insta, Male Fit? Okay. Let me type down your Instagram. My boy don't know his Instagram. Come on now, boy. All right, so here it is. Hale Fit. If y'all want to go check Hale Fit out, go check Hale Fit out. I got the Queen sending you a link. You will be getting yourself a link very soon. So salute to you. And now I'm going to look up 3 stocks. I'll look up 3 of the stocks that y'all recommend. What do y'all want me to check out? What stocks do y'all want me to check out? My live's slow because they guessing before he asked. Salute. Yeah, I was a part of SLGG. That's the thing. I was a part of SLGG. You have no idea how bad I've been trying to catch this wave. You have no idea. You have no idea. I've been trying to catch the gaming wave. Pin Gaming, SLGG, and there was another one I had, PLTK. Hood, he said, Hood, what stocks do y'all want to see? I'll look them up live here. I'll check them on Tip Ranks, and I'll look at the numbers. What stocks y'all want to see? Robinhood is going to be amazing. How many of you, congratulations, Mark. How many of you are going to invest in Robinhood when it IPOs? Let me know. I can pre-buy IPO shares today. Let's see if we have access. I'm not gonna lie to you. Robinhood gave me the beta for something too. I'm gonna be making a video on that, showing y'all. I think they're adding some crypto. I believe average. What is it? Average costing. So every day you'll be able to set up a weekly recurring investment in the Robinhood for crypto. And I'm going to be making a video on it. So shout out to Robinhood with the new updates. But let me see what this dude's talking about. If you can really get, if you were going to get Robinhood when it IPOs, drop an emoji. If you're going to get Robinhood when it, you know what the master investor would say. 90 days we're going up. If you're going to, oh, they got Robinhood. Whoa. Whoa. How many of you are getting Robinhood? Yeah, that's hard. Let me know how many of you are getting Robinhood. Let me see them emojis. I want to know how many. I may have to get a little piece just for the culture, because I know that people really invest in this platform and I use the app. I'm an avid user of the application. I help make a living on this application. I bring them business. They bring me business. So what do y'all think? He said Robinhood gonna pull a rug on y'all the first day. I will when I get some more money. I've requested shares already. So let's go through this together. Let's get started. All right, there are limited shares available. You can request shares for a chance to invest in IPO. Next, confirm the final price. When the final price is set, you can decide if you still want to request shares of the company. Keep your fingers crossed. Once requests are randomly selected, you can check whether your request was filled. I'm interested. This is coming out July 29th. I agree. You're almost there. Continue. This is okay, so right now, this is how much it is. The max share price they're saying is going to be $50. $55 million float is low. I have Robinhood now. This is the price range plus a $20 buffer, plus a 20% buffer. I want to buy how many shares? You know that this stock is going to surge. You know this is going to run up. When Coinbase came out, when what was the other one? Airbnb came out. When these new stuff, when these stocks and companies which we use all the time come out, it always surges. I think I'm gonna check it out. I'm about to reserve some shares. I'm about to reserve some shares right now. I think Hood will run up for several months, but they will definitely dilute. That's a fact. And that's why I'm only entering it. With all these other things, Airbnb was supposed to come out at $60. It came out like $160 or some crazy shit. Oh shit, call time. Or you may not get access to the future IPOs early. So, I like what I see from Robinhood. I'm gonna hold off on getting them, but I am going to be investing in Robinhood. Let's just get that plain and clear. And I want to be investing in it as soon as it IPOs, because I know it's going to run up. People are going to run up, even if it's just for a week or two. It's going to run up. So, what stocks y'all want me to look up? Let's go. Drop some shit. What y'all got for me? Let's look something up. We green on the day, thank God. We up $40, and the day is still young. You know what I mean? It's not even 9 o'clock yet. So Edit. Okay, he said he wants to look up Edit. Let's check him out. Robinhood is going to be so Sick. Okay, so we got something called Editas Medicine. This here, the previous 52-week high for Editas Medicine was $99.95. Again, this is ticker symbol EDIT, as in edit. Okay? Chubb looking Chubb. What the hell? Okay. So when we scroll down, you can see that it's up today 5.5%, 5.15%. On the week, it was down 3. On the month, and this is good because y'all know how the last few months have been for us. This was up damn near 25% on the month, 32%. What do we love? They love medicine. They love it. 20% of the GDP is spent on chronic illness and disease. With all the money and fashion and cool, trendy shit we have here, why is health not one of them? Okay? So medicine will always be therapeutics. Medication will always prevail. So let's see. I look at tip ranks when I don't have the time to read the articles or figure out the information. We're on live right now, so this can at least give you an inclination as to, okay, this is what the numbers look like. I like what he's saying. It looks good or it doesn't. So this one edit is looking like if you're going to do something with this is a pump and dump, because this here says on tip ranks, wah, 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 wah. And again, tip ranks isn't the holy grail of everything. It's just simply just a platform that I use to gauge my hypothesis and shit. So it says three analysts believe to hold, three analysts believe to sell. These are people from Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Oppenheimer. The smart score is a 2. So this will probably be something you want to get in quick and get out. I don't know. I don't got no business with that, but that's something I would do. I have no interest in it. It's going up today. That's dope. If you believe in the stock and it's something that's near and dear to you, awesome. What do y'all think? Fire or poop? I'm going to go with poop on this one. I'm not going to put my money in it. I like the long terms. Y'all seen we got 8 stocks in Robinhood, 7 or 6 stocks in public. So everything is consolidated. Okay. Let's see what we got. He doesn't know. Other people's comments. Space. Again, if you, whatever this person, who is this? Spacely for the Win TV. If you're believing the stock this much, brother, go ahead and invest in it. If you get a chance, do me a favor. Y'all do me a favor. Read, if you go into my description, what does the first line of the description say? Let me know. What does the first line of the description say? If you don't get a chance, if you get a chance, I can read it for you. It says here, I am making free videos of my own shit. I am not your financial advisor. All right. Next, Myrna, MRNA. Okay. There's so many millions of stocks that a broken clock is right twice a day. You can, as long as you don't sell, technically you never lose. So if you want to hold these for 20 years, at some point, that stock will come. It will go right up for you. It's going to go right to where you need it. It's going to go right to where you need it. Thank you, Outdoor Life. Thank you. Okay. So if there's so many millions of stocks that you can, bro, if that's the one you want to choose, if edit is the one that you want, I love you. I wish you the best. All right now. Next, mRNA. mRNA. Let's see here. This one, the price target for the year is actually going to be 212. But right now, the analysts are saying that this is a buy. The smart score is a 10. So this one is saying there could be some, this is mRNA. There is a 10 on it right now. But they are saying just to check for. There's quite possibly could be a high amount of volatility throughout the year. So if I were to get positioned in this, the first thing I would do is trailing stop loss. I do see a ton of room for it to grow. I do see a ton of potential. They are suggesting it as a buy. If you're interested in mRNA and you're interested in the news that they have, if I recall correctly, I think mRNA is something to do with medicine. Let me see. Yeah, it's Moderna. Okay, so they are medicines. Exactly. So y'all know what they're doing out here. They're making poison. So we don't need to go into depth about that. They're in the process of, thank you, smooth relaxing vibes. Um yeah, Markel, I feel it, bro. It's all good. And it's all good. You can enjoy it. I mean, it's if you enjoy it, my brother, go ahead and turn it up. Whatever. I don't enjoy it. So Moderna. Um yeah. This one right here is the government runs this. So of course it's going to eat. If I just can't support this shit. I don't care how big Microsoft goes. I don't care how big the poisons go. I'm not really rocking with it unless I've already had position and then they've made an affiliation. Like let's say Galt, I don't even want to speak it to existence, but let's say a stock I had did an affiliation with some Rona poison. I'm already in the stock, but this one deliberately is one of the makers of the poison, and I'm not rocking with it. But they are up almost 8%. We do see that they're trying to make the passports for people to travel with needing the poison and a slip that says, "Hey, I got poison injected into me, so I can go shop here, so I can fly, so I can do anything." You see which direction they're going into. You see, I'm not speaking just to speak. You seen what happened in Haiti, so that's that. But Moderna is Moderna. Let me know what your thoughts are. It's been up. Obviously, it's been up since inception. Literally over the last 5 years, it's up 1,300%. I don't like this is wild. If you want to invest your money in this, and you believe that we should give this company more money to make poison, then I think this could be the one for you. Go enjoy it. Thank you, Maxo Montana. Already included in the S&P 500. I'm not even sure. I pray it's not Chris Mancia. I'm Haitian and hate what they doing with my people. You see what they've done? You see what they've done? But I'm gonna sway off of that for a little bit because they tried to hold my channel. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna keep educating the folks. But you get what I'm saying? So what's another stock? What other ones do y'all want me to look up? What other ones y'all want me to look up? I'm so excited about Apple. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna tell y'all while y'all type them in, I'm gonna tell y'all some stocks I'm excited about. Neo, Apple, and Tesla. And Teladoc, really. Just the future of I'm so excited about my portfolio. Like Teladoc, Apple, Neo, and Tesla. It's just inevitable. Imagine 5 years of that. We keep investing. We're gonna be millionaires. Just if we did it on a slow way. Let me pull something up real quick. Pardon me. Okay, so y'all want to see. Oops, let me pull up. Okay, here I am. Nvidia is getting a stock split tomorrow. Might run this week. Yeah, Nvidia is amazing. And Apple will trade sideways forever. Apple's amazing. They're about to get listen to them. They're getting their hands in vehicles. They're getting their hands in medicine. Imagine if when Apple gets in the Teladoc space, Teladoc meets Apple. Imagine the merger where you can get health, my Apple thing, and you can get an Apple-based doctor to come holla at you on the phone. Imagine when they make a subscription plan for health, or they make it easy for you to get lower health care through your phone. I'm just saying. Lee Auto. I don't know what the hell no Zihu is. Is that even a stock or is it crypto? What the hell is a Zihu? Oh, it is a stock. Zihu. I don't think I'm saying that right. He typed it 42 times. So let me check this out. This is Zihu. I think I'm saying that right. That's ticker symbol ZH. It'll probably be easy just to type out the ticker symbol. So yeah, ZH is what we're looking at. Jason says, "Session, you're the man. The more The more you talk this afternoon, the more I am up. I am up over 3% right now. That's lit. Yeah, Lee Auto is another one. We've had Lee, Xpeng, and Neo in the beginning. I was EV top heavy, but now I just picked one of them that I believe in the most, which is Neo. So this is the Zihu. Let's see what Zihu's talking about. Damn. So this Zihu thing is a Q&A online content community. Content fields include internet technology, commerce, film, television, fashion, and culture. Okay. And look at this. 100. So that means what that means. You could take that with a grain of salt, but that's interesting. You'll see on the day it is up 2.2%. On the week it's up almost 12%. On the month it's down only 1%. And that's saying something because, again, y'all know the last 2 months we just went through. If you really want to ask me, it was the last 3 months. The last 3 months we all traded sideways, and I had so much volatility. You'll have some good days, but the red days really hit me hard last 2-3 months. Last 3 months, this is up 19.37%. Yeah. So this one must have just IPO'd a bit ago. Let's see. Let's see if the ranks has anything to say about them. See what tip ranks say about them. How many of y'all have green portfolios? Do me a favor, drop a like on the video and comment. If your portfolio is green, drop a butterfly emoji. If your portfolio is red, type in red. Red, or you're going to drop a butterfly. Let's get this video to 100 likes while we're in here. There's hundreds of you in here, almost 120 of you in here. Let's hit the like button for me, please. Run it up. Okay. So ZH, it has an upside to go to close to $15. To close to $15 today. Smart score is a 7. So it's something to check out. And being at the price point it's at is so affordable. If you do have a stock, if you do have, like I said, you have $500 and you already have your core stuff invested in. There's 111 people, angel number. I just want you to understand. These stocks, a lot of these stocks will show you, even Neo. Neo is amazing, but we have to understand that it is not Apple. It is not Tesla. Tesla is $600. Neo is under $45. So it's more volatile. Get yourself some of these more fundamental stocks first. We don't need a whole bunch of stocks. So once you have 2 dividend stocks, and then you also got yourself a JP Morgan, a Goldman Sachs, a goddamn index, an ETF, Russell 2000. Once you got some of these, then you can go ahead and jump into a ZH for some, to see it's more unexpected. You get what I'm saying? Because that's how the rich stay rich. You might think you're rich right now, but unless you have enough capital to chase shit around when corrections happen, when what is wrong with good buddy? Alone me stocks will win end of the day. Life is a joke. What is he on? Yeah. So just understand. Get your core together. Once you get your core together, you'll be set. Your core is what you need to get set. Get your foundation, and then you can build on that, man. You could, or take it out to 5, 7 shares, however many you want. But I suggest, man, do what you want. I'm not your advisor. But one thing I know would have helped me is staying under 6 shares. If I would have just had 6 stocks, not shares, but 6 stocks, 6, 5, maybe even 5. Every stock, 1 EV, 1 energy, 2 dividends. Another stock that's in the ETF, like a Tesla, Apple, Costco, Disney. You'll have a longer guaranteed profitability. And for all my people out there who's read, Jumia is definitely the African Amazon, and Africa runs as well. Anybody who's out there read, just understand that this shit is a sale. What's up, Blackfoot Barber? And please, y'all do what you want, but please, if you are out there, invest in cryptocurrency, yes. But what I've done is I place some money in there. couple grand in there, but now I'm not going to keep chasing it around. It's been so down, 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 down. We're just pouring our money into it. I'm going to let it show me something, and then I'll put some more money in cryptocurrency. So before you go out there and spend 25% of your check on Doge, on these Shibu Nunu Maninus and all these coins that they keep breeding out every 10 seconds, before you go chuck all your money into that, look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, the coins that are the pillar, the ones that are at the top, the ones that are actually, that dictate whatever. Did you notice whatever Bitcoin or Ethereum does dictates the entire rest of the other altcoins? Same goes with the stock market. Look at the big dogs. Please don't just go blindly tossing your bread around in all these coins because they're trendy. You hear them at school, you hear them at work, you hear them on TV because you want to be the first nigga to. Be calm. You get what I'm saying? Put your money in some trusted shit. I'm not saying don't put any money in there. Put some money, leave it. You don't have to chase Doge around the world. There's a reason that it was just at, it chilled literally for 2 weeks under 20 cents. Now it is 17 cents when I woke up this morning. Why is it doing that? Unless Elon Musk farts, poops, talks about it, it doesn't move. Unless a big run-up of some hype nonsense comes up, it doesn't move. And that is weird to me. I don't understand why it does that. I don't even understand what the crypto is. So I'm not going to just randomly, if somebody asks me, hey, Ben, what is Doge? Oh, it's just a coin some people may buy it as a joke. Oh, and you're going to just continue to put money in it? No, I'm not. Until it shows me something. It has to show me something. Energy is never destroyed. It is only transferred. So I've given it some money. It's going to now show me something and give me something in return. Yeah, I'm not saying it's going to be the bottom. So just stay patient. Just don't blindly toss money in there. You feel me? Just be cool and go on your pace. You got to go with your budget. You can't chase the Joneses. You got what I'm saying? You gotta understand what your check is set up. You gotta see how much bread you're making. Okay, this is the amount of money. I want to quit my fucking job. How can I do that? Take 40% of your income and invest it. You can invest it in cards. You can invest it in stocks. You do not have to put Shibu, Nunu, Manunu, and Doge in there. You don't got to. You might already have 200-300 in there. Put your little 2, 3, 4, 500 in there. Cool. Check it off the list. Now build your stocks up. 30-40% of your income. The more amount of money you can put in the market into safer plays, the ones that are growing, or ones that you may know some news about. If you know something about ZH, go crazy. But don't let that be your main position. Don't let that be your main position. Because the shit might be hot now, but it ain't going to be hot forever. Everything experiences volatility. I was in Doge at 0.0008, even at 10 cents. It's overvalued as fuck. Back then, everyone was saying 2 pennies wasn't possible. I'd wait till 5 cents to load up. Yeah, I'm not chasing Doge around the world. How many of y'all, if you about to chase Doge around the world, put the running emoji. If y'all going to chase Doge around and keep losing money, you going to use all your allowance money, all your little money you putting in there. Let me know if y'all going to keep chasing it around the world. Put the chasing emoji. I probably have $200 in there, maximum. We caught it. We did it. We did a good job. But there's 6,000 other coins. I'm cool off of that. She's a runner. She's a track star. It's all, yeah, I'm cool. I'd rather take that same amount of money and put it on Apple. I just told you, Apple about to get into cars. Apple is Apple. They're getting into health. Video games. They have an app store, the best app store of any smartphone. They make millions off phones, accessories. They're Apple. $2 trillion. Like, what are we doing here? You about to tell me that Doge is better than Apple? Is that what you're about to tell me? Is that what you're really, by you buying more Doge at a dip as opposed to Apple at a dip, or Tesla at a dip, Disney at a dip, you're telling the world and the universe Doge is better than Disney. Doge is better than Apple. Like, y'all, you're bugging. So just know what you're saying when it comes to that. And I'm not here to tell you that's right or wrong. I'm just saying you may want to reevaluate what you got going on. You get what I'm talking about? I know millions of people who use Apple. I don't know millions of people under the age of 30, 35 who use Shibu Nunu and Doge. Imagine Apple 5 years from now. Are you shitting me? Nike. Shout out to Earn Your Leisure. Please, y'all, do me a favor. Check out Earn Your Leisure. Ian Dunlap, I think is his name. Those brothers right there talking the same shit. How do y'all have 1,000 pairs of Nikes, but no Nike stock? Do you know? Do you understand? Nike is the Apple of fashion, of sports apparel. You have to understand what you're doing. If you want to buy all the Chanel bags, go invest in Chanel. Whatever you believe in, put it up there. People are using these things. Okay, so Nike has gone insane over the years. It used to be 80. It was $85 just less than 2 years ago. Imagine what the future holds for these things. These things are, social media is helping these things create new lanes. Now Nike has basketball camps, not just ones for underdeveloping players, but now ones for social media players. Now they're throwing these pop-ups. Now you can get a pair of Nike sneakers that cost $100, resell them for $10,000. So I'm not saying the crypto is definitely going to be a part of the future. You hear me? Crypto is definitely a part of the future. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that shit. We have money in there. Now it has to show us something. We put some bread in there, but before we continue to just feed it blindly, show me something. Run me some checks. You get it? If I pay for a service, I want to see some return on investment before I continue to blindly give you money. You do what you like. Maybe you like to pay people without results. I want to see results. I want to see results. And then as I see the results, oh, I like what you did there. Here's some more bread. But until you show me some more results, baby, I'm not going to keep blindly tossing chicken into you just because you're called Doge, just because you're a meme stock, just because the internet says. The internet ain't going to pay my check. If I go to my landlord, and I say, hey, bro, internet talking about, yeah, the internet has said, yeah, Doge is going to go up. So when Doge get right, I'm going to give y'all do that. Let me know if you can go to your landlord and pay it with the hopeful potential of Doge. Let me know how that goes for you. I would love to hear some testimonials. One thing I can tell you is it doesn't matter where you got in at. It's at 16 cents. And it's been down for weeks. Not one day, for weeks. I'm not saying it will never go up, but until it shows us something, we're not giving it no more money. How many of y'all are on, if you think it needs to show you something, type in show us. If it needs to show you something, type in show us. If you think you want to continue to blindly throw money in there, type in pay. I'm telling you, show us. You gotta show us. We made money one time. Dope. I made money one time, but I invested in you 200 times. If I pay you 100 times, I want 90 payments, 100 payments. Get it? The amount of times I paid you does not equate to the amount of times that I've won. So therefore, it's not a win-win to me until you show me something. You're going to have to show me. Because talking is cool. The internet is cool. But when the results come, that's better. You don't have to do a lot of talking when the results come. When the results come, you just come on here and be like, look, this is how much money I made. But I didn't hear anybody come on here within the last month talking about, this is how much I made on Doge. We got paid one time. We got paid a multitude of 2 to 3 times off Doge, but we paid, and I feel blessed. We actually have a spokesperson for Doge in here. We have one of the reps, Brittany W. actually is one of the reps for Doge. So Brittany is telling us how you can go into Doge right now at 16 cents and turn 1,000 to 30,000. So thank you, Brittany W., for your continued answering and letting us know how amazing Doge has been for you. The stock that was created as a joke. It's not giving us what we're supposed to have. Selling what's left in Doge, buying PSET. I would rather, if Warren Buffett looked at my portfolio and I had $30,000, if I had $3,000 in Doge and I had no Apple, no Berkshire Hathaway, no Tesla, but I have Doge, he probably wouldn't look at my portfolio any longer. I wouldn't even know what to say to him. I wouldn't even know what to say. I would, one of the solutions would be probably just to invest in things that are proven. These companies are billion-dollar companies. Apple is $2 trillion. So again, I just want you to understand. Again, Warren Buffett underperformed the S&P 2 years. 2 years. He's the world's best investor, we say. So, success leaves clues. I don't really know what to say. Have some diversity, but it's also called intelligence. Having 12 different things with your money spread out all over the place is not going to give you the results of some things that are proven. You see these people who don't look like us, who are in the positions of power and who have been in the positions of power for years. There's a reason that the most women we've ever had in Fortune 500 CEO positions is 37. The most blacks we've ever had, I think, is 3. There is a reason for this. So if we want to become a part of that cycle, end that cycle, and really make some money, become rich, and not be a part of the 96% of the population whose money is controlled by 4% of the population, we have to invest in things that are having success rather than, bicker back and forth about what to invest in, per se. As long as you're investing, you're doing something better than the people before you have done. So keep investing. I just pray that you put money in the shit that's showing you success. That's all I got. I didn't talk my ass off. Philanthropist Sesh, I love you. Did you enjoy this live? How'd y'all feel about it? 111 people. Just keep investing. Just think about what you're investing in too, though. Think about what you're investing. Not too many tangible things you could buy with Doge, is there? All right. Think about it. I love you. Y'all have a good day. Make sure we get this video to 400. Every video that gets to 400, we will be giving away 10 free Discord links. I love y'all, man. Stay up. You dig.